All right, it's Wednesday, October 30th, 2024. It's about 9 a.m. Eastern. This is a screen recording of a live trading session with my small account. I'm going to change things up today and change my style and strategy of scalp trading the market. I'm finding all this month, I have been stopped out multiple times on things just like this here. A stock will be heading up and just a rug pull straight down. And it takes me right out of the trade only to find that the next candle or two, it'll recover. And it's been very frustrating. And with a small account, I have to run a very tight stop loss. There's just not much wiggle room there as compared to a larger account. So I'm going to go back to a style I used to trade with years ago, and that's just straight up. No stop loss, no take profit order, just straight trading. I realize that's more risky, but there's so much choppiness these days to the market, it seems, much more than in the past. And it's very hard to run a tight stop loss as I do and get through this kind of stuff. There's just so much up and down anymore. So we're going to see how that goes, and I'll pause the video and I'll return when I see a potential trade. I'm keeping one eye on VERO, third highest gainer, up 46%. Just broke through the 50-cent mark and touched 51 cents right here on this wick. Not a lot of volume, however. 1.5 million shares traded on almost 7 million shares available. I'll keep my eyes out. I'll pause and return. I'm in VERO. $58.40 is my entry price. And I'm out. Let's go take a look. Okay, $4.62, up 2.17% gain on that trade. I didn't want to stay in it very long. I had a feeling it was going to pull back on me, and it actually did. I was in on this candle. It dropped the very next candle, and look at that. So I got out at a pretty good time, and that was with no stop loss and no take profit order as I usually do. That was just using the buy and sell buttons, trading straight up. So it worked out. I'll take it. Thanks for stopping by. Let's trade again tomorrow.